I got it.
You got it? Okay, keep the video on, please. We're going to learn how to do things. So leave it on. Let's see how we do things here. Don't video the door.
So that's my stop. So good luck
How
and
many more
enjoy
stops?
yourself.
How many more stops?
One more.
One more.
And then there's some walking, but you're going to enjoy the walk. You can ask somebody. It's that direction. So yeah, the tram will go to the right. Will turn right, but you need to go straight. And you'll be at the bottom of the Wenceslav Square.
Okay, thank you.
Enjoy yourselves, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you. Don't turn it off, please.
Okay,
Video.
I am.
Video the orange box for the other people getting on the train. Keep going, don't stop. Okay? We're getting off at the next stop, but leave your video on.
Yes, yes.
Video because we'll be going right in the Wenceslav Square. Okay?
Yes.
It'll be a good video. Don't video just the orange box. There's a Crystal Palace. Time sun.
Yes.
You know, the train will go to the right. We have to get off and go to the left. Okay?
Yep. You said you have to stop right here, right?
I don't know where we're going to stop. Is this a stop?
Yep.
We gotta stop.
Stop.
Stop!
Stop.
Where's the stop?
Stop. 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 Oh, shoot. Shoot.
Przeskok na metro.
Yeah, go right, go left, right?
Yeah. We're gonna go right.
No, ja mám přes on není beran, veď? Je, tak to já, hele, je, tak on bude mít pobavu.
Yes.
To the right. You know? I just saw our whole neighborhood right here.
Okay.
Okay, where is your car? Where's your car?